Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood and Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. As a lot of you have watched older videos of mine, you know I don't do box unboxings, that kind of stuff. What I do is first impressions of tools. So this is a new Ridgid tool I picked up. Not a sponsor. I paid for this with my own money because I needed it. What it is a cordless brad nailer. So this happens to be the 18 gauge model. They also make a 16 gauge model. 18 is what I needed. Shoots the straight brads. First off, the bag sucks, okay? It'll stand up when it's empty. It'll stand up if you have a couple of things of nails in there. As soon as you put the tool in there, flops over. Ridgid, make better bags. Or make cases. Go back to the metal cases. You'd be the only one still doing it. And everybody loves the metal cases. This stuff, crap. Anyhow, let's see. Comes with a bag. I've used it a few times. I know how it works. And so far I'm happy with it. We'll go over that. Comes with a belt clip and a screw. For now I can just stay in the bag because I really don't need a belt clip on it at the moment. So, this is completely cordless, okay? You put your battery on it, it's good to go. There's no gas cartridges, nothing like that. It does have two different modes of operation, which is push it down, pull the trigger. And it's also got a mode where you can switch it and you tap. So far, the things that I like about it, let's put some nails in it first. Didn't I? Oh, that's right, I used the it comes with a few sample nails. I don't remember what size they were. And I've been shooting 2-inch, but we don't need 2-inch for this. So it'll shoot about 2,000 nails on a charge, which I think is pretty good. To load it, you open the door, drop your nails in, make sure they're all the way in, right in the right place. See that? Those are in crooked. There we go. And push the door closed. Put a battery on it. Like I said, it'll shoot about 2,000 nails on a fully charged 4 amp hour battery. It does not stand up on the battery, which is something that I would like if they change the balance a little bit. So you can set it down like this. But it tips over. It does stop on the case, but that's a little floppy. If it was here, it'd be a little bit better. Anyhow, lay it down like this if you're not using it, I guess, is what I'm saying. So, like I said, it's got two different modes. Push it down, pull the trigger. Now, that's one thing I do like about it. The gas-operated units, loud. They sound like a gunshot going off, almost, especially if you're in an enclosed space. And I do a lot of work in commercial spaces during the day. And trimming something out for somebody or putting a piece of trim in and having that gunshot sound go off really freaks people out. So, so this is an 18 gauge. That's 1.25 inch nail. So, in this, sticking through about 1/2 inch. Then you have rapid fire mode. So in that mode, you pull the trigger. Does a pretty good job. And you read the reviews online, and there are a lot of people complaining, well, it's so slow compared to my air nailer. You know what? It's a little slower than an air nailer, the cycle time. However, there's no cord. There's no hose. There's no compressor. You grab this out of your truck, you run inside, you do what you need to do, and you can leave. Great for quick jobs. I've got a big job coming up for this next week, and I'm hoping that it works as well as it has on the smaller jobs. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. It works the way it says it does, and so far I've been pretty impressed with it. I do recommend, however, when you're done, I always like to take my nails out and put them back in their box. Yeah, Bag sucks. Ridgid, fix the bag. Alright guys, we'll catch you in the next one.